Hello, I'm Joe from High Pressure Equipment. Today we're going to talk about the PT2020 Automation Control Package. This unit controls 3 pumps for pressure testing. So when you come to the unit, initially you're going to see the home screen. This allows manual pressure testing, just like a manual air regulator. If I push this plus or push this minus, I'll ramp the air pressure up or down to control a pump. If we go into some of the settings, the first thing you can set are the pressure transducers. We can handle transducers up to 75,000 psi, or if you have your own transducer that runs on a 4 to 20 milliamp input signal, we can enter those parameters into the unit and use your transducer. Next are your pump settings. In this case, we have 3 pumps. By entering your max fluid pressure for each pump and your max air pressure, we're going to calculate the ratio of that pump, and then our controller will do the rest. Next, units. Whether you're in English or metric units, we can handle and display those units accordingly. From a pressure testing perspective, this is where you really enter in the key features of the controller. So this allows us to do ramping or cycling tests at given pressures for whatever your needs are. So in this example, we're going to come first, we're going to turn on our fill pump, and it's going to run the fill pump for 1 minute to bleed the air out of the system. Then the next test will run as quickly as we can up to 2,000 psi, and it's going to hold at that pressure for 20 seconds. That will be run with the first pump. That's our speed pump to fill. The third test will be a slower controlled ramp up to 6,000 psi with our third high pressure pump, and then we'll hold at that pressure and monitor for leakage. When the test is done, we'll acknowledge that it either passed or failed, and we'll tell the user and stop the test. Lastly, we have 3 parameters here. If you go into those, it'll dig deeper into global system settings that are a one-time set it and forget it type of feature. The last thing I want to mention is file management. Every time we run a test on this system, we're going to save a test report, and we're going to save that test data, and that can be downloaded via a USB port and provided to your customers. It also allows for preloading system settings or saving units in the case of software upgrades.